In this video, we will see how to fix KB5050009 update failed to install on Windows 11. If you are also facing such type of Windows update issue, the first workaround is right click on the start button and choose settings. And here from the left sidebar, go to system. From the right side, look for the option troubleshoot. Click on troubleshoot. Here under available troubleshoot, choose other troubleshooters. And here run Windows Update Troubleshooters. Any Windows Update related problem if you are facing, Windows Update Troubleshoot may helpful for your first workaround. Let the window complete the troubleshooting process. Follow on a screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process. And after that, check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is go to Windows Search and type CMD and open command prompt windows. Run as administrator mode. Choose run as administrator. And in command prompt windows, first execute these three DISM tool one by one, followed by enter key on each time. DISM online scan health, DISM online check health, and DISM online restore health. Execute all these three DISM tool one by one in command prompt windows, followed by enter key on each time. All this command path will also available in my videos description box. You may copy from there. And after that, execute the command sfc/scan now and press enter. It will scan your PC for any corrupted or bad system files. Follow on screen instruction. Wait till 100% verification complete. After that, restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, right click on the start button and choose run. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to open run dialog box and here type services.msc. This command will open services windows in your system. Click on OK. Services windows will now open. Here you will have to execute a start or restart 3 to 4 Windows update related services, and the first one is background intelligent transfer service. Simply right click on it and choose restart. If you found it in stop mode, then choose start first. Otherwise restart it. Apply a double click on it to open its properties and set a startup type as automatic and choose apply and OK to save the changes. The second one is cryptographic services. Same process, right click on it and first choose start, otherwise restart. Thereafter, apply a double click on it to open its properties and set a startup type as automatic and choose apply and OK to save the changes. The third one is Windows installer services. Same process, right click on it and choose start. If you've already found it in a start mode, then restart it. Apply a double click on it to open its properties, but you can't change its startup type, so close the windows. And the last one is Windows update services. Same process, right click on it and choose a start or restart and apply a double click on it to open its properties and set the startup type as automatic. Click on apply and OK to save the changes. After that, restart your system and check whether your Windows update error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows search and type disk cleanup. Click on open. Disk cleanup wizard will open. Here select the drive you want to clean up, basically C drive where your program files exist. Click on OK and a new window will open. Here go to files to delete and make the check against all these options: recycle bin, temporary files, thumbnail and other, and finally click on OK. Are you sure you want to permanently delete this file? Click on delete files. It will not only clean your disk but release extra space for your Windows update installation. and check whether Windows Update failed to install error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, go to Windows search again and type cmd and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. And in command prompt Windows, execute the command as shown on screen. Windows update components. Execute all these 4 commands first, one by one, followed by enter key on each time. To stop these 4 services, simply all this command path will also available in my video's description box. You may copy from there. After that, execute these commands one by one in command prompt Windows, followed by enter key on each time. Simply copy this command from my video's description and paste it in command prompt Windows and press enter one by one. Once successfully execution, start all these 4 services which you have earlier stopped them in command prompt Windows. And once successfully execution of this Windows update components, restart your system and check whether Windows update installing or not. If not, manually download and install Windows latest update on your system. Open Google Chrome browser or any preferred browser and here type Microsoft Update Catalog in search field. Press enter. Open Microsoft Update Catalog and in Microsoft Update Catalog page in search field type your desired Windows Update, KB update and click on search. All its related update will now available here. Simply download, click on download link just beside it and follow on screen instruction to downloading your Windows latest update manually in your Windows 11 and 10 system. That's all.